Okay. Well, I'm sure you FFA people are really missing Algebra 2, so I thought you could use another video to kind of get you up to speed. I made a couple changes in the assignment here. I decided to get rid of 13. If you already did 13, I apologize. And also number 17. Well, first of all, here's all the answers to all of the problems. I'll lighten it up for you. Here's all the answers. But on 17, the back of the book is wrong. They said 9, 6, and 3. It's actually 1, negative 6, and 2. Okay? Give you a heads up. On 21, we got rid of 21 as well. 19, a little heads up, there are 3 different size printers, not just a fastest and a slowest. There are 3 of them, and consider the one in the middle a medium, a fast, medium, and slow. So they kind of tried to trick us on that one. Okay. Let's see, what else? The graphs for the back of this page, which I will zoom back out here. Okay. The graphs of these, well, I'll just kind of show you them one at a time here. Here's number 3. There's the answers to number 3, and there's the graph to number 3. Okay. And 13, there's the answer to 13, and here's the graph to 13. Okay, you can see the importance of a good quality graph. Here's your equations if you need to. Remember that when you're writing equations for these, your limitations, put them on the left. Limitations on the left, your options up top. How many of each do I want to make? Then your equations just write themselves. I went 3k plus 4s is less than or equal to 120. Okay, so the limitations on the left, your options, what you're trying to choose on the top. Okay, 14, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this, but 14 is a little bit of an odd problem. It's not one of my favorites, but your graph ends up looking like this, and technically, the way they wrote it, the points need to be on this line, so I considered those 3. If you went ahead and considered the points on the outside, I don't blame you, but it says that condition has to be held. The number of red roses is exactly 1 fewer than the number of white. So then that leads to these solutions here. And the best situation to have 3 white, 2 red for 380. Okay. Okay, other deviations. The test I turned into a 2-day test. Okay. So this is 2.6, 2.8 test, part 1. It's the largest of the 2 parts. And we're going to do part 2. Okay. And I'm not quite sure how much time we're going to have to develop this new information, but I will do a video tomorrow and post. But I do know that on this 14.1 worksheet, since the quiz took them so long or the test took them so long, I just said for them to have the top half done. Top half done only for now. Okay. So our schedule ended up being fairly close, but with that slight modification at the end. So that should get you caught up. And you'll have that test to take sometime next week. Let's try and maybe shoot for getting that done by Wednesday at the latest. The earlier the better. And look out for another video tomorrow. Okay. See you soon. Oh, I forgot I was going to change my voice a little deeper, wasn't I? That's right. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll see you. Yeah, I'll redo this whole video then. Okay, well, see you soon.